Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Assetto Corsa with Meta Quest 2. First, make sure your Meta Quest 2 headset is fully charged and running the latest software version. Next, download and install the Oculus PC application on your computer. This software is crucial for establishing the connection between your headset and your PC. Once installed, you will use it to manage your Quest 2's PC VR capabilities. With the Oculus PC application running, confirm your Meta Quest 2 is properly connected and recognized under the Devices section. You can choose between a wired Oculus Link connection or a wireless AirLink setup. For the best visual fidelity and lowest latency, a physical USB 3 cable is highly recommended. A good quality 5-meter cable provides ample length and ensures a stable data transfer rate, which is vital for a smooth virtual reality experience. To significantly enhance your Assetto Corsa VR experience, download and install Content Manager. This essential third-party launcher provides far more control over your game and its settings. Crucially, install the Custom Shaders Patch, or CSB, through Content Manager. CSB unlocks advanced graphical features and performance optimizations specifically beneficial for virtual reality. Spend some time configuring CSB settings to match your PC's capabilities for the best visual quality and frame rates. Finally, launch Assetto Corsa directly through Content Manager, ensuring you select the virtual reality launch option. Once in the game, navigate to the video settings. It is crucial to find a balance between visual quality and a consistent frame rate. Prioritize a smooth 60 frames per second or higher to prevent motion sickness. Experiment with resolution, anti-aliasing, and post-processing effects to achieve a clear and immersive driving experience without sacrificing performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.